You must be fit and fine. Yes, I hope you all must have gone through the topic that we have learned yesterday. That is left and right. So now let's revise this concept with a song. Are you ready to sing and dance with me? Yes? So let's start. Right arm up, right arm down, like a circle round and round, like a circle round and round. Left arm up, left arm down, like a circle round and round, like a circle round and round. So children, are you enjoying this song? थोड़ा सा फास्ट करेंगे सब? Okay. Roll your hands on the right side. Yes, yes, yes. Roll your hands on the left side. Yes, yes, yes. Shake your hands on the right side. Yes, yes, yes. Shake your hands on the left side. Yes, yes, yes. Clap your hands on the right side. Yes, yes, yes. Clap your hands on the left side. Yes, yes, yes. It's time to revise this concept with the help of some pictures. Children, open your maths workbook, page number 17. Please take the help of your mom to open the book. Okay, children? Can you see the picture of kites? Yes, these kites are flying on the left side. Now, see the aeroplane? Yes, this aeroplane is flying on the right side. हाथ दिखाओ अपना right side. Zoom. See children, an empty bench on the left side and on the right side you can see grandfather and grandson sitting on the bench. See, there are two balls on the left side. Yes, big ball and a small ball. किसको अच्छा लगता है बॉल से खेलना? ओहो, सबको? वाह वाह! बिग बॉल से खेलेंगे कि स्मॉल बॉल से? ओ गॉड, बिग बॉल से? ओके. Now, see the last picture on the right side. Birds are eating grains. It's time for fun activity. So, be ready. In this activity, we will find left and right. There are two pictures, an elephant and a cow. Now tell me, is the elephant on the left side or on the right side? Yes, correct. It is on the left side. Yes. So now I am giving you a star. Happy? In the next picture, a carrot and a cupcake. Now tell me, is the cupcake on the right side or on the left side? Yes, you are correct. It is on the right side. So I am giving you a star. In the third picture, two faces are there. One is sad face, one is smiley. Yes? Do you like smiley face or sad face? Yes, smiley. Now, is the smiley face on the left side or on the right side? Yes, correct. It is on the right side. So now I am giving you a star. In the last picture, an ice cream and a teddy. Teddy wants to eat ice cream. So tell me, is the ice cream on the left side or on the right side? Say. You are correct. It is on the left side. So I am giving you a star. Good job, children. Now clap yourself. Very good. I hope you like this activity. Now let's see the solution of the worksheet. In this worksheet, you had to trace a left path or right path in each picture. Right, children? In the first picture, left is written on the picture of an elephant. So, elephant has to go on the left side. So, you have to trace the left side path with crayon like this way. In the next picture, there is right written on the back side of the car. So, car has to go on the right side. So, you have to trace the right path like this way. In the third picture, there is right written on the flag which is in the girl's hand. So, they have to go on the right side. Yes? So, you have to trace the right path like this way. And in the last picture, there is left written on the scarf of the bear. So, bear has to go to his cave in the left side. So, you have to trace the left path like this way. I hope you understood this concept well. Keep practicing at home. Bye children. See you soon.